show ya. Wish me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love man. You she break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you do that.
Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Guys, we're gonna start over here. I have some chicken gizzards, 2 of these chicken gizzards. I wonder how many pounds in here at chicken gizzards. I don't even see how many pounds it is in here. Oh, it's 20 ounces of chicken gizzards. I usually try to get the tray, but this Purdue, I like Purdue stuff. I got 3 of these Napoleon ice creams for Antwan's birthday today. I tried to get the gallon, but they didn't have the gallon, so they gave me this in place of the gallon. I said this, it's Neapolitan, because I know somebody going to go in the comments and say something, because this lady got so mad when I said the ice cream wrong. So, my correction. I got this flashing decoration for his cake, and I also got him a 1 and a 4 for his birthday candle. And this is his birthday cake, guys. I got these spearmint peppermints, guys, because I feel like I'm coming down with something, so I want to go ahead and catch it before it come down. I got both of these whole milk. All right, guys, over here I have some cabbage. I have 2 bags of sweet mandarin oranges. I have some apples. I got 3 of these super chocolate chunk brownies mixes. My kids love brownies, especially brownies with chocolate chip in it, with the chocolate chunks in it. So they love these brownies. So I got these, and these was like a deal on Ibotta. So I just went ahead and snagged these up. You know what? I thought I didn't get my darn chips. They didn't give me my darn, my chips. My, what them chips called? The chips with the the tortilla chips. They didn't give me them because I got that for Taco Tuesday tomorrow. I got this pancake mix, this blueberry complete pancake mix. I got 2 of the regular pancake mix in the cabinet and the buttermilk pancake mix in the cabinet. I like these. I used to get crusties, but these I feel like I get more for my money and I can get different kinds. So I'm just calculating it another way. Okay, I got some Frosted Flakes, the great value. I got the Cinnamon Toast, great value. And the Fruit Spins, great value. Probably at the end of the month, I get like the, what them cereal called? The General Mills series by the end of the month. But right now, we get great value. Okay, right now, I got like 4 creamy chicken and dumplings because I had got the pot pie kind and they didn't have it, so they replaced it with chicken and dumplings. Yep. And I got clam chowder, and I got it's another one. I got a different one I have, and I got chicken noodle. Y'all know if y'all see this in the hall, it's me or Aaron even eating this soup. I got light brown sugar. I got another thing of steak, because this is what Antwan wanted for his birthday. I got another thing of steak in the refrigerator. So don't come for me in the comments, because it's going to be plenty of it for, we got the thin eye steak. At least he got what he wanted. I'll probably take him somewhere to get like a T-bone or a ribeye. Probably take him somewhere to get it. Like to a steakhouse or something. I don't know. We'll see. Because I think he wants to go to, what's that place called? Not Outback. Y'all name this steakhouse that I'm talking about. I bet y'all probably know the steakhouse I'm talking about. We have this Good and Plenty. We have 3 beef pot pies. We have 5 turkey pot pies. And 5, as Aaron saying hi, 5 chicken pot pies. And we got the Gala apples, and that is it for this haul. All right, guys, so this is Antwan's birthday gift. He wanted to get this. His dad sent me what he needed to get this. So in here he has a Everlast punching bag, the air roller, a speed rope, and some gloves. I think this is so cool. I know he's going to enjoy this gift, guys. And I know he's going to be so freaking happy about this. So I'm excited for him because this is something that he really wanted for his, he wanted it for Christmas, but we ended up finding it on Amazon and got it for his birthday. All right, guys, so we putting it together. We put water in the base first with a little bit of baking soda down here, guys. And then I was looking at the directions, and it looks like to me we're gonna have to line these screws up with this screws, and then we're gonna put this on top of this and line this up with the circles and stuff like this. And we're gonna have to screw that up. And then I know you will. And then we're gonna put this on. Oh, sorry, baby. It's gonna go around. We ain't gonna do that yet. We're gonna wait. I'm just showing them as an example.
I bet it's gonna be done.
Screw it in. That's what he's doing right now. Get the Allen wrench. Okay, guys, so it's all put together. Y'all, it's messing here right now, and we're gonna clean today, so don't mind the background. Okay, guys, over here we have some house supplies. We got some Bounce. We got some Mr. Clean surface cleaner, Fabuloso. We have some Scott tissue, Scott paper towels. We have this blue lavender multi-surface cleaner. We have this lavender Comet with bleach. We have this Vaseline lotion. I bought this Pioneer Woman Mason jar for myself. And I got some low splash bleach, great value. I have these kitchen bags. And that's it for this haul.
Love me, let me like that. Baby, why'd you have to be